Okay, it's my first time using this GoPro Hero 7. I am a little tall, so maybe we'll angle that down just a little bit so you can get a look at what's going on here. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today, I got to put this phone down, but I got to stay connected. Hello. We're going to be putting some of this gear onto the kayak. So we got here a paddle holder, but we're going to be using this for the net. We're not going to be putting that. That's just a. Hopefully, we're going to get some bass so we can use this. This, oh, we might not be looking at anything, huh? I have to see. Might have to do that whole thing out. See what we're looking at. I'm gonna bend down like this. You getting all that? Okay, so this is the paddle holder that I want to use. Like I said, this one here is more than likely going to be for the net. In fact, this does need to be angled up. Okay, so what else we got in here? Got more? Need to be more to the chest. Like I said, when I'm standing up, hard to really see, you know, what I'm doing, but when I'm bending over, yeah, I guess that's good. What else are we gonna be putting on? It's just a paddle leash here. What else? Yeah, we don't need that. And yeah, looks like the only real things we got to put on I guess we could put this on. This is supposed to go on here somehow. I don't know. Maybe not. And the other thing that I'm having a little issue with is this one. Sorry, I'm gonna have the phone in my hand here for a little bit just to get an idea of, you know, where I need to be when the camera's in position. This one. So as you can see, it's two pieces, and I have to get it. Let's see here. I have to get it positioned on the boat to where it won't bend. Like it won't. The curvature of the boat, you know. So I'm gonna have to go get the paddle. Let's go get the paddle real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get an arm holder for the phone. So I can at least see what's going on. What if we put it here like this? You can kind of view it, huh? This is kind of crazy. All right. So this is adjustable. $220 to $230. Not very much of an adjustment, huh? think I was going to need any tools, but you never know. Okay, so guessing that's the lowest setting. And then 230's right there. So they're saying I might need a 250. That'd be another, sure, that'd be way out here. Probably not recommended for way out here, but I'm sure you could get a little extra length out of it, huh? It might not lock in. Let's see. Still turnable, yeah. All right. So we got to figure out. Here's what has to happen. So I'm right-handed. And I'm thinking see, I wanted it on top. That's what I wanted. I didn't want it on the side. But seems like it's going to be in the way unless we put it like right here. What do you think of that? I don't like it. I don't like it. So everybody's like geeked up about this and shit, all right? Doing this, all right? And that's basically okay, so realistically, I could use either one of these, either way I wanted. Could use this for the paddle and this for, see, that works perfectly. See that? Just a little down. It's perfect. And I can put it, can't be littering, Mike. Enough plastic in the world, huh? So a lot of this is going to be trial and error. What I'd like is for this to be up here. Right here. Right in that groove. So it would stay. That's right where I want the net. You see? It's kind of a good place. I guess I'm going to need some kind of a leash for this. I didn't think about that, you know? I'm gonna need a leash for that. Put that right here. Boom. But then if you want to get up front and mess with stuff, that's gonna be in the way. So, realistically, seems like something like that or we could just let this thing in the water. That might mess up things though. Could do it like this. No, that's not gonna work. I'm a sticker peeler, I know. Shit, I mean, in order to keep things out of the way, because this, I obviously need, like he wants me to drill this on the side. This is not a Scotty. I'm gonna have to take this back, because there's no way I want to drill. I can just put it in here. All right, I'm about to zip tie that bitch. And wait, does that go into here? You know what I'm saying? That's not a... There's no way. I'm pretty sure I got the wrong one on this. Because I'm not drilling no fucking hole. You're crazy. This one might go back. This shit. You know what I mean? Like right there. I don't know. I kind of like that. What do you think? You like that? Right there? It's gonna be in the water though. You know what I mean? Might mess with your shit. Well, we've been out here for 20 minutes and we haven't really come up on much. So, let's think. We're gonna come up with an anchor point. I feel like the best anchor point would be just to tie it around the fucking side. I haven't looked up any anchor points, you know what I mean? Guess I should have did that. $50 feet, 200 pounds. Working load limit. I'll figure out. I'm gonna have to get a bungee for this. Because this is basically, I say sits right here and latches onto that like that. That's what I was gonna do right there, you know? And then fucking just tie my anchor onto the end of this, you know? Maybe put a little whirly system. I could probably put these two up and wrap it around it. It doesn't sound like too bad of an idea, but it's probably a horrible one. Sheesh. Before we go drilling any holes, we might have to go looking. I have another clip. This is the clip for the anchor. I'm gonna tie this on, I believe. That way, if I have to pull up, I might just do it. The paddle leash, yeah. I did want to see how that worked. All right, so, and then we're gonna have to find a place to store this. The boat mate. We're gonna have to get something for back here. Or I could just put it in a bag. All right. Let's have a quick break. Get something to drink. And I'm gonna check out a video. So, yeah, quick break here.